My name is Aaron Christiansen and I'm majoring in manufacturing engineering. I chose my major because I wasn't really, to be honest, wasn't sure. I looked at business stuff, I looked at a whole bunch of stuff. All the business majors, most of the engineering majors. Then I went to an info night for manufacturing and talked to a bunch of people there, and it seemed like a better fit for me. I wasn't so much interested in solving the complex engineering problems with a lot of math and stuff, but I still wanted to be involved in making things. I got into research because I was around for the summer. I was doing classes, and I was like, let's try this research thing out. So I went and talked to Havansky. He had openings at the time. Summer's the best time to get into research, by the way. I talked to him about the research, and I decided to hop on board because it sounded interesting. I was working with the additive friction stir welding team, which, if you don't know, is basically 3D printing but with metal rods that you shove together with thousands of pounds of force and hundreds of Celsius of degrees. So it's intense, it's a new and upcoming field, but it gives you very good properties for what it is. My favorite engineering class was probably either plastics or metals. Half of the things we have are probably made of plastic, so it's just super cool to learn all about it. And it had chemical and also like manufacturing aspects, so learning about all the chemical properties of it and everything to do with it and why they are the way that they are. I'm a sucker for material science classes. Metals was kind of the same thing. It talked about a lot of like the ways metals are. We got to do a project in that class where we design whatever we want to make, you know, as long as it is obviously complicated enough for the class. He's not going to let us weld two plates together and say, oh, that's my project. So for that, I made a standing desk. I just love these classes that just let you free. You do your own project. It's not some lame whatever project you don't care about and you're going to throw away once the semester's over. It's something that, like the standing desk, I am still using to this day. It's my desk at home. I put a tabletop on it just a couple months ago and it looks really nice. I'm happy with it. My favorite non-engineering class at BYU, I took a scuba diving class. It was just super cool because it's a new experience. You just gotta go float around in the water and just mess around and have a good time, My greatest advice is just don't be afraid to be the stupid person, Ask those hard questions. I mean, it's a classic advice, but I mean, I've been that stupid person plenty of times, especially in research. You're never gonna really learn deeply if you're afraid to ask questions, unless you just understand it great at the first place, then you're great. But I'd say for 99% of people, you're gonna need help, and you shouldn't be afraid to ask those questions and be that stupid person, because most people probably have those questions also.